Hi, I'm Krummi. I like to fly around town and look for interesting things. Would you like to join me today? Hey, look over there. I think I see a forklift. This is a forklift. Forklifts are good at lifting heavy things and carrying them from one place to another. They can carry things that are much too heavy for people to lift. Forklifts can raise and lower their forks to reach different heights. They can also turn their wheels to steer around corners. Today, we learned about forklifts. We learned that forklifts use strong forks to lift heavy things, carry them safely, and set them back down. If you see a forklift, wave hello from a safe distance and see if you can spot what it's carrying. Wow, that was fun. Thanks for watching with me. It's time to go now. See you next time.